So I need some time. Mess. Move on. You kindly remind me, this is still pending from my side. If you remind end of this session, then only I may upload actually. This one also. Once after NumPy, let me explain this so that I can close this window. This one also you need to remind. Attributes, are we done? I need your help actually. Maybe last week I covered min method, then attributes we already done. Only 3 attributes I covered. This would be the running topic now. So we need to create a new window for what? Maths actually. This is so called as a mass. First chapter. We'll see what is that first chapter name. Okay, then I need to take this. So seems to be a recap, a long back I have done actually. I need to walk through this. I'm sorting, I hope sort also we done. Flatten I need to continue I guess. Good, back to the session. Currently we are discussing about the topic which is so called as a NumPy. Let me give a small update actually. Small update to everybody. Some kind update. Today is December 1st I guess actually. Yeah. Daniel, update for what? Almost what Naresh Shetty they done, Sarji, Naresh Shetty. Previously, previous batches, previously, I used to handle all subjects. Handle all subjects in the sense, including maths, the next one, Power BI, the next one, DB, and of course, database actually. What exactly mean? Database. Now, prior to that, I hope you already know, Python also I used to handle and Pandas also I used to handle. After this, what is the next one, ML, the next one, DL, the next one, NLP, the next one, Gen AI, including projects. Including what exactly, projects actually. Projects. But recently what Naresh did done, they made it like from Python to database, common subjects. Can you tell me? Common in the sense, Python is required, Pandas is required, math is required, and Power BI is required, database is required, and ML, DL, NLP, Gen AI projects, they made it, this is something like a core topics actually. What topics mean? Core subject. Core subjects actually. Core subject. Programming language. When it comes to functions, you should get a clear picture. You should know how to create a function. Once you create a function, we should know how to call a function. So function may having the parameter. While calling the function, name should be matched. Otherwise, name error. Very good. If function having the parameter, then we need to pass values while calling the function. We know this one. Imagine whenever you are creating a function may having the parameter. If it is one parameter, one value, two parameters, two value, three parameter, respective. Function having the return statement, such a beautiful statement. Imagine if a function having a return statement, that function call we need to assign into variable. That variable later you can reuse actually. That's the main motto, right? When it comes to return we should apply only on two topics. Can you tell me? Function and next one method. Function and next one is what, Saji? Method actually. Please listen carefully. Next one is object oriented programming language. You should know class, object, method. Generally we can create class, method, object. One more time, Saji. We can create class, method, object actually, right? We can create a method inside of the class. We can create a constructor, right? And even we can create a object to a class actually. We need to call method by using object name with parenthesis. We can access attribute by using object name no parenthesis. Constructor will be executed automatically during at what time? Object creation actually. During object creation, keyword arguments, function, constructor, method. When you're talking about the keyword arguments, you can apply a function, you can apply a constructor, you can apply a method. Did I uploaded this material? No, right? I have created a separate material. Why? Because keyword argument is my favorite topic. Then how can I leave? If it is my favorite topic, I will create my own material. Yeah, here it is. End of this session, you kindly remind me, I will upload this material. Here I explain keyword arguments with function topic, keyword arguments with constructor, keyword arguments with what exactly mean? Method, instance method actually. I hope you know, I generally used to explain with code actually, you can easy to understand. Are you with me or not? Right. When you're talking about the keyword argument, the name should be matched. Otherwise, what error? Type error. What is the description? Unexpected keyword argument. Yeah, I will share this end of the day. I will share this document. You kindly please walk through. You will get a lot of clarity. Okay, ఇది నాకు గుర్తు చేయండి. I may forget otherwise. Such a nice examples. Yeah. Move on. A small reason done actually. Good. Now, NumPy. Why NumPy Daniel actually? Especially you need to understand about the ML flow. What flow, Saji? ML flow. Can you tell me the first one? Data. The next one will be data frame. The next one is feature engineering. Chapana Saji? Feature engineering. The next one is array data. Array actually. Next one is ML algorithm. What algorithm? ML algorithm. This is the flow, right? Data frame you already know. If you wanted to work with the data frame, you should know pandas, right? Feature engineering operations, all methods, whatever you are performing kind of some operations, those are all called as a feature engineering operations actually. Then ultimately for ML we need to give input as a data. Listen carefully. For ML algorithm, we need to give input as a data. Input as what exactly, sir? Data. That data should be in the form of array. Should be in the form of what exactly? Array actually. Array. Right. Then array we can create by using NumPy. By using what exactly? NumPy. That is a roadmap. Why suddenly array actually? Right. First of all, why suddenly NumPy? Okay. NumPy and array having the relation. What kind of relation actually? If you know NumPy, then only we can create what, Saji? Array. Why array? That array only we need to provide to the ML algorithm as an input. Are you clear, Saji? Why machine learning? Ultimately, by using ML, we can do prediction. We can do what, Saji? Let's move on. That's what. Maybe I have covered kind of some few fundamentals. I need to jump into directly code. Attributes I covered. Let's move on. Fine. In between, we started with the methods discussion. This is good question. Now, can I tell you where you guys need to be strong actually? Let me tell you. Abhishek, good question. Arey Daniel, do we need to learn? It's okay. We need to learn both Power BI and Matplotlib for the data visualization actually. Did you remember when I'm talking about the data visualization? My definitions are very clear. With Python we can do. Chapana Saji, with Python. The next one without Python in the sense, with tools. Chapana with tools. This statement I have delivered. With Python means what exactly? Either it can be Matplotlib. The next one, Seaborn. The next one, Plotly. It's okay. These are all. With tools in the sense, the first one is a Power BI. What exactly mean? Power BI actually. Tableau, ClickView, these are all, right? The next one will be, it's a kind of some Tableau. These are all good. But Daniel, let me tell you where I need to be strong. Can I tell you? Being a data scientist, our main role is, మనం దేని మీద ఫోకస్ చేయాలి అంటే, our main role is model creation. Can you tell me one more time? Model creation in the sense, model in the sense algorithm actually. When I say algorithm, all these algorithms, it will belongs to ML, DL, CB, computer vision, NLP, the next one, Gen AI actually. That's what, these are all belongs to my core area actually. I believe you understand. Did you understand? So, but Daniel, what about Power BI? Power BI, so knowing is better rather than ignoring actually. Knowing is better. Knowing is what exactly? Better than ignoring. Then what exactly ignoring? Can I tell you one small story? నేను మీకు ఒక చిన్న స్టోరీ చెప్పమంటారా? Which is really happened actually. Please be silent. In the year of 2021, there was one student. Actually. He learnt data science with us. Data science with us actually. He has a 3 years of gap. I suggested him add an experience actually. And now he started giving interview. What exactly interview actually? Here is a twist. Are you clear? Good. Let me tell you what is the twist. Almost he given 3 interviews. He is literally failed actually. He started giving interview. If you wanted to get a job, you need to give 10 interviews. You need to give what, man? 10 interviews. Don't expect direct job from the first interview. When you are attending, within 10 interviews, one company belongs to you, you will get a job actually. 4th interview, what happened, Sarji? 4th interview, he got a call from HR. Actually. Now HR convinced him. The HR discussed like this. There is one funda in almost IT industry actually. A data scientist, he can do any type of task. What, man? Any type of task. Python project he can do, database project he can do, Power BI task he can do, machine learning task he can do. He is something like all-rounder. He is something like what exactly, sir? But we should not show our all-rounder skills actually. During interview, the HR convinced as of now, I know you are a data scientist. I have seen your profile actually, and your profile exactly belongs to the data scientist. It belongs to what exactly? DS actual, data scientist. But in my company, we will get the data science projects in the next quarter. DS projects in next quarter actually. I mean, generally companies used to get a projects in like a off yearly, quarter based like that actually. Meanwhile, we have a database project. We have what exactly, man? We have database project actually. Would you be interested? Would you be what exactly, man? Would you be interested actually? Then we'll give the same package in the sense we'll give a good package. Then he told, I need 1 day time. I need what exactly? 1 day time actually. 1 day time. He called me and he explained same thing whatever he for him it is happened actually. I give him 2 options. Let me tell you, if I suggest anything, I will suggest from my experience. నేను experience తోనే suggest చేస్తాను. Just like a randomly I never suggest actually. I told 2 options. Boss, listen carefully. Option number 1. Option number 2. Now what he told, he just asked a suggestion, can I join in that company, in that what exactly company? If I say yes, directly they may release the offer also. Why? Because there are 1 or 2 interviews they will conduct actually. The first option what I give in, if you are really needing money, if you are facing any financial condition, ultimately money matters, right? If you really needs kind of some financial matter, Daniel, last 3 years I don't have a job, I learn the course actually, money matters. What matters? Money matters for me. Then you can choose this. You can what exactly, man? You can choose this actually. You can what exactly choose this. Why I given that suggestion for him? Sir, I am master in that. I will explain. I will take separate session. How to add an experience, I am master in. We'll talk that one later. If I touch that area, it takes a lot of time. Do you have a gap actually? You are blessed. Nobody never said this one. I will say you are blessed actually. మీరు అదృష్టవంతులు. Let's move. Where are we? Back to the session, sir. సార్ ఆ ఫ్యాన్ కొంచెం తగ్గిస్తారా, హెలికాప్టర్లో తిరుగుతుంది. ఇది ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ కొంచెం తగ్గించండి. లేదు సార్ మాకు కావాలి అంటే ఇట్స్ ఓకే. Go back to the session. Where are we? Now, when I'm talking about the NumPy is a package. NumPy is what, man? Package actual. Very soon. Can you tell me how to install Pandas? Very good. Pip install Pandas. How to install NumPy? Pip install NumPy. Good. Imagine I have created a library with my own name. My name is Daniel. My name is what, man? Daniel. We are going to install pip install what exactly? Daniel. Very soon. Maybe this week only. Let me prepare a document actually. I need to update. Old document I supposed to update actually. I will tell you how to create our own library. How to create our own library. That library we are going to create a functions. We are going to create a classes actually. We can install like a pip install pandas, like a pip install NumPy. Then we can install even what exactly mean pip install Daniel also. Daniel in the sense my name. You can give your name actually. Pip install your name. Are you with me or not, sir? So one document, minimum 1 hour discussion actually very soon. Very soon. How to build a package. How to build a what exactly library in Python. Library in what exactly Python, man. This very soon upcoming topic. You should aware by this time. Then you will understand what is the process to create a pandas, NumPy. These are all. అప్పుడు మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది క్లియర్గా. ఓకే, యా, మూవ్ ఆన్ ప్లీజ్. Regular practice is really important. Please move on to the discussion. Let's open our material. Good. In NumPy, array is a predefined class. Though it is a class, this class having what exactly mean? Attributes, and this class having methods. Daniel, why method? To perform an operation. Chappan Saji, to perform an operation. Why attributes actually? Chappan, to give information about what? Object. Object to array actually. Array object. That's it, you should have. Very good.
Now,
can you tell me? We can call method by using object name. Chappan? With parenthesis. With what exactly mean?
Parenthesis.
Why we need to call method? To perform an operation. Why we need to call method? To perform what such operation. Then respectively we touch almost minimum method, maximum method, sum, reshape, count non-zero, sort method, flatten. Are we done flatten? No. Sort? We done. Kind of some row wise sorting. What sorting, Sarji? Row wise sorting. Yeah. Move on. Let's move on to the flatten. We can close these methods today, and I can start maths actually. Okay. Let's move on. Sort method. Sort we already done. I need flatten. Seems to be the program is valid, but what exactly happened? Output I have given wrong output here. I need to update actually. Good. Can you read it actually? What it is one such a flatten. Imagine there is an array. Either 2x3, 2x4, 5x2, 5x3, anything actually. I wanted to transform that array into single row. That array into what meant? Single row. That is called as a flatten. That is called as what exactly? Flatten. Let me show you. You will get an idea. Flatten is a predefined method in NumPy array. We should access this method by using NumPy array object. This method keeps all values into one dimension. You do one thing. Do you have a 2x3 array? 3x3 array? 4x4 array? Or else 4x5 array? It's okay. No matter whatever it is. If you apply this flatten, what exactly happens? It keeps all values in single one dimension. It keeps all values in one dimension. Let me show you one small example. You will get an idea. Good, man. Let me just try to create a nested list. With the list, I would like to create an array. Notepad++. I need to cover. How you are doing practice actually? Notepad only, right? I request you do in Notepad only. Daniel, why Notepad? You will get more hands-on. Practice bagosu. You yourself will know how to type a for keyword actually. But if you are using PyCharm especially, what happen? If you are typing F actually, automatically PyCharm will suggest. Are you searching for keyword actually? It will give suggestion. Then I hope if somebody is giving suggestion, immediately you will tell yes actually. You will select this one. Don't use IDs initially. Please type the code. You will get a good experience. Okay. Now I just need to Chappan search import NumPy as
NP.
We are importing numpy and we are making it alias actual a equals to, okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Let me create area. B equals to np dot Chapan Sarji array. And can somebody help me? Good. Let me just try to print P. Everybody look at my screen. Array is a predefined function. Array is what? Predefined function. Daniel, can you please prove it actually? Yeah, simple, sir. You can just have to take that one and you can just have to see here. There is a predefined function. This is the way to prove actually. This is the way to prove. Yep. What happened? My laptop little. Yeah. Good. It's a built-in function. What is the function name? Array actually. Please make a note. Now successfully with that function calling. Hold on. Function where it was created inside NumPy. What kind of function? One parameterized function. Chapter sir. One parameterized function. Function calling you are assigning into variable y.
Backend return statement.
Backend. Please. These are all fundamentals. If you don't know this fundamental, I'm sorry. God successfully have created array. How many rows and how many columns are Chapandi? Yeah, you can just have to call shape attribute. Then you will come to know 2 rows and 3 columns are now. How many rows? 2 rows. How many columns? No matter what, either is a 2 by 3 or 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5. I wanted to convert into one dimension. Yes, you can do it actually. Yes, you can do it. Now, to convert into one dimension, there is a one method. Hey Daniel, why conversion is required? In machine learning, we are using this kind of topic actually. There is a method name is a flatten. What is the method name? Flatten. Yes, see. Nice, man. Converted into one dimension. Simple. One row created actually for that row, all values, right? Let us just have to keep these values. Do you have any other values? It will keep actually. Can I ask a question? Can somebody tell me what it is? Method. How you can say method? By using object. Let me tell you, left hand side, whatever it is available, that is nothing but an object. In total data science actually. Left hand side, LHS side, whatever it is available, close your eyes, that is nothing but an object. Right. With left hand side, you are calling something which is having parenthesis method. What exactly mean? Method actually. Good. I believe you understand. Flatten method. Output I given wrong, sir. In output wrong, but I can change later also. Preparing material is literally challenging. I'm trying my best. Move on. Adding value to the array of values. Adding value to what exactly mean? Array of value. Chudane. This is really amazing, Sachi. This is seriously amazing. Good. Can I tell you one small point? Go to the Python. This is the Python code actually. Python code. What I'm planning, create a list. Create what exactly? A list. And add a list of values. Add a number to all values. Understand the requirement? Create a list. When I say list of values. What is my requirement? I would like to add a single number to all values actually. Did you remember list comprehension? Same code actually, right? Let's implement values equals. So I need your help. Can I get a response? 10 to, it's okay, 100, 200, 300, 400. That's what we done. Right? The next one will be result equals to chapter list comprehension. List what exactly mean? Comprehension. P1, P2. Very good. Execution always starts from P2. For value in values. The next one, value plus 2. Value plus what exactly? 2. Let me just have to print this one. Values. The next one, let me print result. Daniel, we already know why you are explaining. Hold on. Listen carefully. This is the way we can do. But generally speaking, imagine initially my client has given this kind of output. Hey, Daniel, do one thing. Think like, these are all price tags. You please add GST. You please add what, man? GST. What I thought, when I was don't know Python నేర్చుకునేటప్పుడు, what is there? Nothing is there. Values plus what exactly 2? I thought like that actually. I thought what exactly, man? Like that. You can just have to come here. Did I added the value? Sir, a single value you should not add to the list directly. If you're adding, you will get error. You will get what exactly? Error. This is the limitation in list. But when it comes to array, what is the beauty, Sarji? You can create an array directly. You can add. This is really great added advantage. In list it is failing, but in array it's okay. I will take responsible. Conversion is not required. You no need to do comprehension logic actually. You no need to do what logic, man? Whoever all really understand list comprehension, trust me, this example is what a nice example actually. Did you apply comprehension? No, directly we are adding actually. List can take the value and it can add upon with every respective value actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? రైట్, కమన్ లెట్స్ టేక్ ద లెట్స్ క్రియేట్ వన్ ఏరియా అండ్ లెట్ us యాడ్ వాల్యూ యాక్చువల్లీ. యాడ్ చేద్దాం చూడండి. ఇంపోర్ట్ numpy as np and a equals to okay, let me just try to create a nested list search. 10 20 30 40 50 60. Now b equals to on high priority. Let me create array. చెప్పండి సార్. yeah then array is ready. Let me print b. For this array, I wanted to add a single value. I wanted to add what value? Single value. How easy it is, ఎంత ఈజీగా తెలుసా మీకు? Just use plus symbol. b plus. Sorry. Just use plus symbol. Plus of 2. Yeah, let me run this. Good, sir. Such a nice. Seriously, I'm speaking. But when it comes to list of values, imagine these are all list of value. What logic you need to apply? List comprehension. You need to iterate the value. You need to apply logic. But when it comes to array, iteration not required. It digests the value directly. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? Right. This is really beautiful, and I believe you understand. Adding a single value. Here, can I maximize? Sure, I can. We done this. Move to the next. Diagonal of matrix. In 10th class, maybe 2 marks, minimum MCQ. Multiple choice questions, I guess, actually. This is what exactly. Yeah, good. So, seems to be I have created array. If you wanted to find out the diagonal, matrix size should be either it can be 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4. Then only you can find diagonal. Then only you can find what mean diagonal actually. What do you mean by diagonal? From the first starting corner to till to the last value 1, 5, 9. This position is called as a diagonal. This position is called as what mean? Daniel, why? Why we need to find out? In data science, there is a one topic. Topic name is called as a heat map. What is the topic name? Heat map. We are using this diagonal actually. First, let me create a 3 by 3 matrix. Let me create what, Sarji? 3 by 3 matrix. Import numpy. Daniel, you can reuse the code, right? You can reuse, but it would be good to type practice actually. Let me create a 3 by 3. 10 20 30. 10 20 30. The next one 40 50 60. The next one did you covered F string literal? Important, sir. Everywhere they are asking F string literal. Make idea undali. np dot array, np dot what exactly array, and I would like to create b. I have created a successful array. Nice. I wanted to know only 10 50 90, Daniel. Then there is a method name is a diagonal. Oh, very good. You can call this b dot diagonal. Team, listen carefully. With object, left hand side whatever it is available, nothing but a object actually. With object name we are calling something by using object name having parenthesis method. Very nice, sir. Really very nice actually. In 10th class we don't know these methods, otherwise we may call actual. All just right. But let me tell you, in 10th class we need to prove this is the diagonal, so and so value, something like that. Next one, after diagonal, I hope trace, I guess. Diagonal. Yeah. The next one is called as a trace. What do you mean by trace, Sarji? The addition of diagonal. Can you tell me, let me just have to take 10 plus 50. What is the result? 60. Otherwise, 10 plus 90, 100. 100 plus 50, 150, right? That is so called as a trace. Trace of the matrix. The trace of matrix is the sum of the diagonal elements. You do one thing, you can call that. There is a method. Again, method. What is the method name? Trace. You can call that. I will call diagonal. Easy, man. Very easy. Did you understand? This one is array. In math notation, it is also called as a matrix actually. This one is a diagonal value. This one is sum of the diagonal. Sum of the diagonal is called as a trace. Let's take the 0. Though method, right? Always some object name required. Okay. Sir, this is called as a trace, right? And this is called as a B dot diagonal. On top of this, if you want, you can apply sum. This is still valid. Just have to see. You will still get the same 150, 150. Am I right? Good. When you covered sum, actually last week I covered sum method. What method? Sum method. Even you can still apply. మీరు ఇంకా ఏం అప్లై చేయొచ్చు తెలుసా? Sum of B dot diagonal. Then let me ask you one question. Let me check your Python skills actually. Can you tell me this sum is a method coming from where? NumPy. Why? Because this is array. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి మీరు చెక్ చేస్తే కనుక array వస్తుంది. With array you are calling something method actually. Can you tell me what is sum? Function. Coming from? You should aware. మీకు తెలిసి ఉండాలి by this time. If you don't know, do practice. Yeah, see, almost result is the same. There are many ways, but the best way is go for trace actually. Why? Because here you no need to calculate manually like this actually. Easy, man. Trust me, it is very easy. Move to the next. Trace of the matrix. Wooden, these are all. Yeah. Here I'm applying some function. Daniel, here 150, here 15. Check the numbers, sir. Here I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, blah, blah, blah. If it is all zeros, 1 0 actually. Next. The next one, adding and subtracting of matrices. When I say matrix, and here it is nothing but array data. What data, Sarji? Array data. Listen carefully. We can add and subtract two matrices. I mean to say two arrays. We need to call add and subtract functions. Good. Addition we can do in two ways. By using add function, by using add symbol also. Subtraction also we can do in two ways. There is a subtract function, there is a subtract symbol also we can use. First, let me create two arrays. Let me create what's actually two arrays. Look at my screen, everybody. First to array, also called as a matrix. Next to array, second matrix actually. I wanted to apply sum. Very simple. Can you tell me 1 plus 1? What is the result? 2 respectively. 2 plus 8. What is the result? Exactly. Just for the same position value. Sir, size should be same. Size in the sense, number of rows and number of columns. Number of rows and number of columns should be match. I mean to say match. Otherwise, you will get error actually. Here, what I'm doing, any idea? Can somebody tell me np dot add means what exactly? Function. How can you say? Because you are calling value using alias name. Why red color? You should aware these are all. Please. If you are still stuck here, I have no words to say. Inka meer ekkade unte ganaka, I have no words to say, sir. Okay, let me create this one is here. Ayyo. Can create it equals to. It's okay. You can make it this is xy. That's still okay. I'm printing np dot earn. Yeah. Can you help me? Add function, not sum search. Add, right? Add actually. Now here x comma what exactly mean? Y. Now look at the result. That's it, sir. You guys need to walk through. Two areas. By using add function. By using what function, man? Add function. Next one, subtraction. What is the next one? Subtraction. Simple, same code actually. I'm not doing any changes. Can you tell me? The function name is not sub. Completely what they have given, subtract. Nice, man. You guys kindly please walk through. Not only add function and subtract function, add function and subtract function. In NumPy especially, you can directly use symbol also. So first array, second array. Did you understand, sir? So functions also not required. You wanted to do addition actually. What is the first array? Tell me. X. What is the next array? Y. X plus Y is possible. This is absolutely possible. Yes. See. Did you understand, sir? Okay. The next one, I need to do the subtraction. What I need to do? Minus. That's it, man. That's it actually. Go back, adding right here. I can enable the code actually, or you can implement like this also. Is it okay? Yeah. Next one, subtraction. Or I can you help me? That's it. Daniel, what about multiplication? Hold on. Matrix multiplication during maths I will cover actually. That's it, man. You know, so whatever you learned regarding the NumPy array, more than enough. So I need to close. We need more NumPy array operation. Hold on till machine learning. In machine learning, you will come to know in real examples how we are using actually. But you can just try to done this. Especially, you should understand. We can create an array by using series attribute. What is that attribute name? Values. Did you remember? We can even create an array by using data frame attribute. What is that attribute name? Values. Please, those two examples are important. Why? In machine learning we are using. Are you ready, sir? Move on. Then values attribute I covered actually. Oh, first can I close this? Let us make it this is. I have a question for you. Did I cover values? I covered, I guess. Yeah, please. I covered. Let me help you Notepad++ so that I can close this window. Since so long we kept hold actually. It me reduce good change, sir. End of this session you can remind me so that I can upload. Move on. Notepad++ and command prompt. This is really good approach. Let me close this. After this, I can move on with the math search. The beauty with our session, every document I can share with material, it will be really helpful for. Let's move on, search. Good, let me tell you. Being a data scientist, being a what man? Data scientist or AI engineer, or what exactly? AI engineer. Simple, we need to write a program. Chappan sir, we need to write a program and then we need to run. We need to write a program and run actually. And run the program. Then finally we will get what exactly mean? Output. These are all approaches we done. These are all ways or approaches actually. These are all approaches or ways. What is the first approach, Sarji? Notepad, comma command prompt approach. Notepad comma what exactly mean? Command prompt. Notepad. The next one, Notepad plus plus. Notepad what exactly? Plus plus. Notepad what exactly? Plus plus. The next one, command prompt approach. This is really very good. The next approach is so called as a Google Colab. Can I cover this? Did I cover actually?
No.
Yeah, Google Colab. The next one is called as a Jupyter. Jupyter. This one also I covered actually. Right. The next one is called as a PyCharm.
No.
The next one is called as a VS Code. What code actually? VS Code. Like this, the never-ending story. But you should have one IDE. Jupyter I already covered. PyCharm you should have VS Code also I will cover actually. Let me cover this approach today. Are you ready, sir? Let me cover this approach. So we can write a program. We can write a program by using text editors. Chapana Sarji, text what exactly mean? Editors. One more time, text. These are all text editors. వీటిలో మనం text editors అంటాం. Text editors అంటాం. First one, Notepad. In Windows by default actually. The next one, Notepad plus plus. It is not by default. It is not by default. I will tell you how to download actually. The next one, Edit plus. Chapana Sarji, Edit plus. This is almost outdated. We are not using this. But you should have. We already know Notepad, and we know about what exactly? Notepad plus plus. Let me cover this approach actually. Are you talking about the Notepad? Technically, that is called as a text editor. Chapana Sarji, text editor. You are writing a text and you are editing the actual. మీకు అర్థమైంది సార్? రైట్. నౌ let me explain about Notepad. Notepad plus plus is a text editor. Okay, Notepad plus plus is text editor. By default it is not available. By default it's not available. Chapana sir, in Windows by default it is not available. By default what is available? Notepad plus plus. I'm sorry man, Notepad. By default what available? Notepad. But Notepad plus plus is what exactly sir? Not available by default. Then what we need to do, we need to Chapana Sarji, download. We need to download and install actually. It is open source. It is what exactly meant? It is open source actually. It is what exactly? Open source. Open source means free. Freely available actually. Freely available and you can download. If Python also open source, right? Am I right? Python also open source. Then what is the advantage to creator? Did I cover that? In cover chesana? That is general discussion. Okay. This you should aware. Python is open source, right? Python is open source. Do you think Python created by Daniel?
No.
Right?
Guido van Rossum.
So creator is creator name is Guido van Rossum. You can remember the van word actually, bus van, school van, you can remember. Then previously one student asked a question, open source means what, Sarji? It's a free, ante free ga he created and he given free to the world actually. Previously one student asked a question, what is advantage to? Am I right? What is the advantage or what exactly? Benefit. Advantage or what exactly, sir? Benefit to Guido van Rossum. Such a good question. Can I cover this one also? This is out of the box. Can I cover this one? Later. So later I will cover. You can remind me. I will cover this. Maybe can we touch math today? We'll see. First let me cover this. Why the discussion came? Open source. Open source in the sense what exactly, sir? Notepad plus plus is a text editor. It is open source. Let me tell you how to download. Download Notepad plus plus. Notepad what exactly mean? Plus plus. Notepad plus plus. Then first step what I need to do? I need to uninstall from my laptop. Am I right, Daniel? Yes. Let me uninstall. In my laptop it is already installed. Daniel, why you installed actually? For previous batches. I'm sorry I didn't inform you. Let me uninstall. It just takes few minutes, few seconds I guess. Let it be on. Do you like to keep your custom changes? No? That's still okay. Then man, it is uninstalled. Can I tell you one good point? Installation and uninstallation will be taken care by admin team. Once you join in company, with your hands, trust me, you never ever install. If you join in top MNC company. Why? Because admin will not give access even to install any software in your personal laptop. If you wanted to install any software, best example today, Notepad++. You join in company, Infosys actually. You wanted to install Notepad++. You need to raise one ticket. Okay, ticketing tool untundi. You need to go to that. Who will tell actually? Your colleagues, they will tell. Go open one link. Click on that link actually. With your name, the ID, I mean to say, there is a one website, it will be open, that is so called as a ticketing tool. There, Notepad++, I need to install. You need to type actually, then the ticket goes to the manager will approve, actually, then the ticket goes to the admin team, admin will approve, admin will access your laptop, that is a process. The point is, we never ever install without manually. But if you know how to install, that is a good approach. This is the process in company, right? Daniel, why they will not give access? Why they will not give access? Unfortunately, company, they have given access to you to install. First, you will install video games actually. I'm sorry, unnecessary softwares you may install. That's what they will restrict. Every month there is a review from admin side. They will connect with your laptop. If it is work from home also, they will connect with, and they will scan your laptop actually just by clicking one button. If any unnecessary softwares you have downloaded, they will counter question why you installed actually. First of all, no access. Even if you try to install also, it will be triggered actually. Backend load trigger. Then you'll stop your action. So let's just say let me tell you how to install, how to download Notepad++ actually. Come on, Sarji. Just to go to Google. Notepad++, you can type actually Notepad++, download for Windows, download. Click on this one. Good. This one is a Notepad++. It looks like this. Download Notepad++. These are all older versions actually. But anyway, I would like to go for the current version. Stable in the sense, no issues for the software. Softwares, there are mainly previous one, stable one, beta version. What do you mean by beta version? Currently development mode actually. Beta in the sense currently development mode. It is a stable. Always go for the stable one actually. Click on this. Once you click on this, like a package symbol is supposed to get. Okay, where it is. We should get it. Please don't laugh actually. Yeah. Here it is. Scroll down. And here you can see. Click on this. Yeah. You can scroll down. I thought here you will get. Click on this. Sir, download it. First point. It is a .exe file. Any idea what do you mean by .exe file? Executable file. I mean to say, you can click on install. First one. This is .exe file. By clicking we can install. By clicking we can what's our install actually. Come on, let's do it actually. Let's do this one. And I will show you a few examples. After installation, I will show you 2 Python example, 1 Pandas example, so that we can move on with the discussion. Are you ready, sir? Come on, please, let's move on. I have downloaded, right? It's very small one actually, just MBs, 67 MB, I guess. Okay. Oh, sorry, 6 MB, just a 6 MB. Why? Because 6000. Good. Just to give a double click. Are you ready, sir? I'm installing Notepad++. Just to give a double click. Can I click on no? Click on yes. English version only. Click on next. No need to read all this. If you read, it takes a lot of time. I agree. Click on next. Just to click. Don't do anything. These are all not at all required. It's okay. It is being getting installed. Done, Sarji. Can you tell me? It is asking, can I open it actually? It's okay. If you click on this one, by default Notepad++, it will be open. But I don't want to open now. I will show you. Click on finish. Sir, successfully Notepad++ is installed in my laptop. How to open Notepad actually? How to open Notepad? Cheppandi ela open cheyali. Go to the Windows, you need to type Notepad. Right. Now here, simple. Do you want to open Notepad++? Actually, go to the same window and here you can type Notepad++. Somewhere you can see, not under search actually, under apps. There is a one thing, Notepad++ with this symbol. Click on this one. It opens like this, man. Ela open avutundi. Okay. This is so called as a Notepad++. All these options not today. I will explain one by one actually, not immediately. By default you will get like this. Meeku ela vastundi first. Let me just try to open one more time. Go to the Notepad++. Go to what exactly, man? Notepad++. Yeah. By default, you will get like this. New one. Do you want to open one more file? New two. Do you want to open one more file? Tab meediki velli just give a left click actually. Just give two left clicks. Then new file. Then I need one more file like this actually. The great added advantage will be first file, second file, third file. In one way you can see. Ade Notepad అయితే అలా పాసిబుల్ కాదు. ఏమో రైట్ ఆర్ నాట్ సార్? ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈస్ అ న్యూ విండో. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈస్, and here multiple windows in a single, it is packed actually. Awesome, right? Let's move on, Sarji. Daniel, these are all we already are well aware. ఇవన్నీ మాకు తెలుసు అనుకుంటే ఐఎమ్ సారీ సార్, రైట్? ఓకే. ఓ సారీ. Some options I have chosen. Let's open Notepad. Can I delete the file here? Let's delete this. Sir, installation is done. Daniel, can you please copy that link actually? Still, it's okay, I can copy the link. Link to download. Click on this. Don't go for version wise. Go for, you can come here. Yeah, this is really good one actually. Yes, sir. Online team, hold on, sir. We have admin here actually. Do we need to install Notepad++? Yes. Why? Because that is not by default actually. Then it's a right time. I will do one thing by using what exactly, Daniel? Notepad++. I will write a program. I will write few programs actually. Then so we will run. What exactly, sir? We will run and check output. Check what exactly, man? Output actually. That's what we are going to do. Let me tell you one more time. Installation is done. Notepad++. It's the right time. We need to write a few programs. We will run actually. Can you tell me? Check output. Come sir. Let's do this actually. Okay. And shouldn't ela cheyalo telusa? Very easy. Look at my screen. Go to the Windows, please. Go to the Windows. Notepad++. Notepad. Still, I need to type Notepad++. But anyway, by default, it is coming on a high priority. If you want to, either you can choose Notepad. See, always you have to search. You have to check not in search. Let me tell you. మీరు ఎక్కడ క్లిక్ చేయకూడదు. If you are clicking here, it goes to the web actually. You have to click always apps. Under apps, or by default, it may be display app. If it is app, then only in your laptop it is going to trigger actually. Okay, good man. Now let me write one small Python program. How to write Python program? Hello world program. Chappan sir. Yeah. You should know hello world program. Hello world actually. Hello world. Yeah. Successfully have written a program. Successfully have written what such a program. Then I wanted to save this program, Daniel. Same process like a Notepad. But one great added advantage, let me tell you. Ayyo sorry. Here offline team మీకు కనిపించట్లేదు కదా. Here there is a file. Are you able to see? Yeah, I know it is a fan. It is disturbing you. Then click on file and click on save, not save as. Instead of click on save, Control S. Chappan Sarji? Let me use Control S. Control S actually. Yes, very good. Then same story, sir. Can you go to the desktop and can you go to coding and here can you tell me? Demo1.py, hold on. You don't need to select anything. That's one of the great added advantage. If you want, you can select Python extension also it is available. Don't touch that one. Click on save. Click on what exactly means? Save. Yeah. when it comes to Notepad and Notepad++, it displays some all predefined functions with this color. Some colorful you can see actually. Color notations you can see, right? And this one is a starting and this one is a closing. It is highlighted with the red color actually. Good. Daniel, I have written a Python program. Yes, sir. You have written Python program by using Notepad++. By using what, man? If you are opening, it will be open with the Notepad mode actually. Notepad mode lo kuda open avutundi, right? Can I run the code actually? How to run searching? Same story. Go to the CMD and here you can just you can run this one. You will get an out. I'm sure you understand. Did you understand? Let me tell you one more great added advantage. Let me edit the code. Value is equals to list 10, 20, 30, 40. How to iterate one by one value? Can you tell me? Yeah, right. For value in values, then next one, column symbol, next one, column symbol. After column, indentation is default here actually. This is beautiful. But when it comes to Notepad actually, can you tell me indentation we need to provide? But in Notepad++, if file is already saved with the .py mode actually, indentation is default actually. Indentation is default in the sense you don't need to provide. Indentation will come automatically. If you guys are sleeping, wake up actually. Let me repeat one more time. For value in values and column symbol, go to the next line and here you can write what exactly, Chapani? Value. Yeah, exactly. Very good. Did you notice keywords? For and in what exactly? Keywords. How many keywords? How many keywords here? What you done, I know. You counted the blue letters actually. So in Notepad++, what exactly happening, these are all some added advantage. You can recognize where is a keyword, where is a predefined function, where you have created your own variable. These are all you can recognize actually. Right? And especially if you click on this one, starting and closing is available. If you click on this one, starting and closing is available. It is highlighting actually, right? How to run this code, Sarji? Chaptara? Same story. Minimize, go to the command, go to the folder. You can just open this. Ayyo. Do practice in Notepad++ also. We are able to get all these options. We'll see later. Painuna options and don't worry, I will explain once it is required actually. Can I explain Pandas example? Good. Do you want to open another Notepad++ actually? Just you can hover your mouse here, left click, give a double click. Left with left click actually give a double click. I have given a double click. New file opened actually. You can just still move on to the swap actually previous file. Tell me, sir, this is not Python file as of now. Chappani, what is the code? Import pandas as ped. Df equals to pd.read_csv sales1 dot. While loading the file name should be match. Otherwise, good. You have written the code. This is not Python program. If it is Python program, it's supposed to highlight the keywords actually. Then we need to save this. Control F. demo2.py, and you don't need to select anything. That is really one of the great added advantage here. Click on save. File saved actually. Then Daniel, can I run this code? Yes, you can run. You will get what error? File not found error. Pull the file. Sir, easy sir. These are all. You need to put your efforts. Efforts you will gain all these subjects. Data. Sales1, right? Comma separated file. You can just try to demo2, right? Demo2 or demo1? Demo2, please. Successfully load. I'm sure you do one thing. Try to download Notepad++ and just try to execute a few examples. You will get an idea. Did you understand? Okay, that's what. Fine then. I hope it is similar to the Jupyter. What is the specialty about Notepad++? In Notepad++, we are using in real time. Jupyter is different. Notepad++ is different. Previously, previous batch student asked actually, what he asked, Array, Daniel, upload this software also. Please, you can download actually. Please, you can download. Alright, man, let us close today's discussion. We're done today's session.